To solve a problem like this Venn diagram problem, we're going to need to know a couple symbols. First of all, in this first problem, I'm asked to find the n indicates that I'm finding the number of things in the set U. So generally with Venn diagrams, U is used to represent the universe of items. That just means everything. So the number of items all over in this universe, we just add all those up. So grab a calculator, add up all the items, 60 plus 11 plus 63 plus 67. So the number of everything is 161. Now in this problem, we get this other symbol with a C. So the A refers to the A set, the A circle. But that little superscript C means the complement, or everything that's not in that set. So we need to find the number of things that are not in A. So first of all, look at A, and then look outside of A for the complement, and that'll be the 63 and the 27. So adding those up, you should get 90. Now, in this next problem, we get another symbol that looks like an upside down U. This is called the intersection, and we can read it as the word and. So I want to find the number of items that are in the complement of A, or A complement, and the set B. So first of all, look at A complement. That's everything outside of A, which was the 63 and the 27. And now we want to find all the things that are in that set and in B at the same time. So these 63 are in B, but they're not, these 27 are not in B. So when I'm trying to find of the things in A complement that are also in B, that's going to be these 63. So these 63 are in A complement and in B. Now in this problem, things look a little different because I'm using parentheses. And just like any time we're using parentheses in math, we want to do what's inside the parentheses first. This goes back to PEMDAS in algebra. So this says find everything that's in A and in B. Well, that's this 11. But then this complement says, okay, now find everything that's not in that intersection. So that everything that's not that 11 in A and B. So that means we're just going to add up the 60, the 63, and the 27, which should add up to 150. Okay, now we get a new symbol, this U, that's right side up, and as opposed to the intersection that we read as and, this is the union that we're going to read as or. And again, we're using it in parentheses, and then we have a complement on the outside. So let's do this or first. A or B. So we want to find all the things that are in A or B. So when we found the things that were in A and B just a second ago, these 11 were the things that were in A and B. But if we're finding in the things that are in A or B, we can count the things that are just in A, just in B, or in both. We don't want to double count these 11. So in other words, you wouldn't want to count 71 in A plus, what would that be, 74 in B, because you'd be double counting the 11. But if we just count the things that are in A or B, that's going to be the 60 plus the 11 plus the 63. So that would be 134. Except, I'm forgetting about the complement here. So we found A or B, but to find the complement, we need to find everything that's outside A or B. So it's not the 134, you got to look outside A or B, and that's just this 27. So 27. All right, so now let's look at this one. We know all the symbols. This means and, or intersection. This means A complement, and this means B complement. So first of all, let's find A complement. That's all the things that are not in A. Well, that would be 63 and the 27. And then we find B complement. Well, that's everything outside of B, so that would be the 60 and the 27. And now we want to find what's in both of those sets, so A complement and in B complement. Well, notice when I did that, the only thing I highlighted both times was this 27. So A complement was the 63 and 27. B complement was the 60 and 27. The 27 is the only thing that was in both of those, A complement and B complement. So that is my answer. And if you're familiar with some of the mathematical operations of Venn diagrams, this is a fairly common operation. These two sets are equivalent, A union B complement and A complement intersect B complement. Okay, and then cross your fingers for the green check marks, and you're good. Okay, good luck with these Venn diagram problems. If you know the symbols, they're really not too difficult. You just have to spend a little bit of time thinking about it. But get help if you need it.